Welcome back to another Pro VM where an amateur challenges myself. If they do win, they get a ball of choice or a lesson from myself. We're gonna have our newest challenger introduce himself.
What's going on? My name is Kulia. I work at South Point. I always see Darren. It's always fun to watch him. He's a great bowler. Wanna maybe go pro when I grow up? I don't know.
Okay. All right. Well, I mean, you saw all these good things about me. I'm still gonna try my best to kick his ass. I am gonna bowl two-handed because he is two-handed, and I feel like I'm obligated to challenge all two-handers to two hands because, I don't know, who knows, maybe I'll switch one day. All right, Kulia, good luck.
What did you say?
I hope you strike a lot. I just hope I strike more. We got our trusty pitch black here, compliments of the Chris Vi. This is a freshly oiled pair of lanes. No surface on my ball because I'm scared to miss my spares if there's too much surface. Oh, it's been a little bit. This is gonna determine whether I win or lose. I should just switch. I'm kind of gross. Brooklyn. Carry.
A little rusty.
A little rusty, yeah. We've been sitting for a little bit. Should we have given more practice shots? Probably. We didn't do it though. Nut. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was so nice off my hand. It was just 2 arrows to the left. Come on, I need these two-handed cheating strats. Let me know how you kids do it in the comment section. Oh!
Oh!
It's the new shoes. I'm getting used to the new shoes.
Here's the shoes?
That's definitely the shoes. See that? I aced it. I'm convinced I can average the same amount in league two-handed as one-handed. When we bowl on tour, though, I'm probably about 50 pins less two-handed. I think I got my work cut out for me today. I can't talk as much smack, I don't know him that well. That was so bad it's good. A little flip of the wrist. You know, they always talk about the tall pin and the short pin, but they never talk about the side pin. Ow. I hope Barnes doesn't watch this video. I'm scared now. Another one. Oh!
10.
D10 still got a chance.
Love those. Not
So
really.
rolly. Rolls the ball real nice and forward. Take notes, kids at home. Don't need to get your hand around the ball. Hook the ball.
Uh-oh.
Oh, the door is open. Spares are hard, two-handed. I recommend ice.
Ice?
Yeah, ice.
A lot of people use ice.
Mix hooks a little bit. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh.
Still came back?
It's been a while.
It's been a while?
That's actually probably the worst shot I've thrown today, two-handed. I got the too much slide on the sole working and the too much stop on the heel. It's not a good combo, but it's all I got right now. Looks close. He's gonna have to keep striking if he wants to win this one. Oh my goodness. It's a good thing I'm throwing a urethane ball. I hit the piss out of that one.
That was pretty.
Maybe? He's making some trouble.
Too much?
I'm just too nice with it. Just too nice. D-nice. It's my female name, Denise. I'm bowling a doubles tournament with Steve Klemkin at the end of the month. It's on 39 feet. Twister pins. Thinking about bringing my two-handed pitch black. Oh no!
Uh-oh.
It might work out. Die, run it down. Take your time. Nice. I just switched the grips in all of Chris's balls. I do want to bowl a regional two-handed, but it's tough. I feel like I should do it at one of the smaller fields so I have a chance to make the cut. But at the same time, if it's a smaller field, I feel like I have a better chance to win. It's got to be one of the events that are like the stone cold China. Fuck! This is so dumb. So for those of you that don't know, I used to bowl kind of like Tom Smallwood when I first started bowling. My backswing was up to here, my thumb was in the ball. I used to get blisters right here, I don't know how. Sometimes when I'd get really mad, I'd take my thumb out and just bowl two-handed. I kind of wish I didn't stop, but here we are, who knows. Good enough. Oh, all right, we need some funny things to happen here. I can shoot 270, he can shoot 230. He should be shooting 240 though. I gotta give him my all, man. I mean, I know we have to start giving away bowling balls, but I don't like to lose. Oh, I'm giving him a chance. Oh, that's so bad. No, I actually did not do that one on purpose. That was me just trying to hit the piss out of it. I keep that elbow in. Didn't hit my grip that time though. Nice and easy. That's the one I gotta get rid of, man, the over the top. I can't say I bowled a great game so far, and I can bowl 250. That's why I say I could probably average the same amount in the league.
Whoa.
Wheel.
Come back. There we go.
He's got life. He's got life. Why don't we just try to soften up a little bit? I thought I threw that one pretty good. Probably didn't have to move.
True.
All right. I need to get an ice. I need to get two-handed ice. I need Bella to come give me some lessons. I watched her junior gold vlog, throwing that plastic ball the last game of 1 block, and she shot 230. I was like, wow. Oh, get lucky.
Please. Thank you.
Ooh, we could tie. We got a potential tie right here. We gotta have him earn it, right? 9 spare strike, punch out to win by 1. He's kept himself in it though. Oh, there it is. I threw that one sick too. The spare's no gimme either. Oh, lay! Is that where you put the hat on me? Here we go. He needs them all. I'm gonna make sure I strike on this one. You guys want an exciting match? You got it. Well, it's up to you. It's not up to me anymore. You just hit it harder, right? Just hit it harder.
Man.
I got that dog. All 3 in the 10th frame. 1, 2, 3. To win by 1. To earn a bowling ball or a lesson for freezing.
Whoop.
Oh!
Woo. Scared me a little bit there.
I like this. There's also potential for a tie. If he gets the next one, then 9. Then we go to 1 ball roll-offs. Just like in the PBA. Lay! Oh! Hey, you can't really ask for more than a match that comes down to the 10th frame though, right? Yo, if I missed the 10 pin, he would have to pick this up to tie. Honestly,
Peer pressure.
It was the spare.
It was the first.
12 pins. If he picks that up, he wins by 1. So value your spares, kids. But
really
thanks for coming on the channel. I appreciate it.
Of course. Thank you for having me.
Hoping to see you back on the channel for another challenge. Hopefully, yeah, we'll give you some time to go through your rebuilding arc and your, not rebuilding, but your, yeah, you go through your training arc. There you go. Don't watch enough anime, but thanks for watching. You know, if the stars align, you might be on a Pro VM one day. If you move to Vegas, your chances go up dramatically. But thanks for watching. Hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Give me some of your best two-handed tips because obviously the both of us could use some. We didn't shoot 300, so there's room to improve. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.